How to build a tech startup. Besides having the right amount of funds, there are many points you need to consider just when you have decided to build a tech startup. In general, there is no rocket science behind building a business, but you must be careful while keeping the cornerstone. Welcome back to our channel, and in this video, we will be sharing some of the surefire ways to build a tech startup. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell icon. So let's dive deep into the discussion. Choose the right team. Let's start with the basics first. You have to choose the right team for your tech startup. Your team is the foundation for your company, and it will be crucial for you to choose them carefully. Make sure that your team members are the right fit for each other. You should not have a team full of people who do not understand each other or are not on the same page. Next, avoid homogeneity in your team. Make sure that you are selecting the right people for the job. Don't choose just anyone as a team member. If you are looking for someone to handle a particular role, then make sure they have the necessary skills and expertise. Select the right tools. Next, you must remember to select the right tools for the job. It may sound simple, but it can save you a lot of hassle. Make sure to assess the needs and requirements of your team. Once you decide on the right tools, it will save you from spending time and money on those that will not work. Understand it is not a straight path. You have to understand that success is not a straight path. Like you literally cannot go and establish a tech startup and end up having million-dollar profit. No, that actually doesn't happen. And if anyone mentions it, guys, it is just a trap, and don't fall for it. Huge setups like Google or Apple didn't get their success overnight. It literally takes around years to build an empire that will bring you a lot of profit. So be patient and do your best until you get the success. Execute it rather than thinking about it. How often have we thought about an idea and not worked on it? Many times, right? At least 100 times. We may have formulated ideas with our friends, and after some time, we would forget about them. Guys, this is the time you stop doing this. Successful are those people who execute in action rather than thinking about it. Just take the risk and do whatever seems right for you. Understand the trends. This is one important point to consider while building a tech startup. You must be thinking, how is that so? Basically, the world we are living in is evolving at a tremendous pace. The technology we had in the past is no longer viable, and we have flocked to new resources. And because of this, if we are thinking of building a tech startup, we need to be aware of the trends around us. Read tech blogs, watch news or vlogs, and try everything you can get your hands on. Raise investment. Okay, now you have an action plan, a team, and you are aware of the trends. The next thing you need to do is realize the investment plans you will have. Whether you are asking for investment groups or self-funding your tech startup, be sure what you are into. Have everything filed up in an Excel sheet and keep a check on it so as to not deviate from the budget. Have contingency plans. Every business goes through a downfall period. However, how they manage themselves in such time makes them successful in the long run. To strengthen your tech startup, be aware of your contingency plans in case something goes wrong. Don't forget to enjoy the journey. While we are working hard to build empires for ourselves, we often forget to enjoy our life. Eventually, this causes us to feel work burnout, making us prone to depression. Remember how important your mental health is to avoid landing in such a situation. Always have some me time for yourself to relax. So, here we come towards the end of this video. Which of the points mentioned here help you to build your tech startup from scratch? If you have any other useful tips, share them with us in the comments section below. Please share this with your friends and family and help our fam to grow. In the next one, we will see you. Till then, take care and bye-bye.